Papu, listen here, Dagana. Find the area of the following figure. This is a combined figure. This is a combined figure. How many shapes are here? Along with me, try to answer. There are two shapes. What are the shapes? Rectangle and semicircle. What is meant by semicircle? Half of the circle. So area of the following figure means, what you have to do is, I told you, no, two shapes are here. You have to find out the area of both the shapes. So, area of the figure. Area of the figure equal to, what is it? Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle plus area of semicircle. So, area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. Length into breadth. That is 25 into 20. That is 225, 50. Then here is 0. So, 500. So, area of the rectangle is 500. Now, what you have to find out? Area of a semicircle. What you have to find out? Area of semicircle. What is area of the circle? These are all the basic formula you should know, I say. Pi r squared square units. This is also square centimeter. Pi r squared square unit. Here what? Semicircle. This is half of the circle. So in the formula also what you have to do it? Make it into half. So pi r squared by 2. So r. What is r? Here length is 25, breadth is 20. So L into B. Here this is diameter of the semicircle. Diameter is what? 25. Half of 25 is what? Half of 25 is 12.5. But they have given in the problem itself. So no need to find it out. But for your verification, just I have done it. Some of the students you may not know why they are giving like this. You see? You draw the line here, then very well you can know. What is it? This is radius. This radius they have measured and given it outside, that's all. Do you follow? So 12.5 is nothing but the radius. So here what you have to do is 22 by 7. For pi 22 by 7. Then radius is nothing but 12.5 into 12.5. Why? R squared. R squared is nothing but R into R. Then into 1 by 2. Why I am writing like this? Instead of doing like this, you get half of pi r square. This is what? Half of pi r square. So half into pi r square. Because since this is given in fraction, many students just you will be confused whether divided by 2, then reciprocal it, whether many students they used to ask like that. So just if you are writing like this, then there won't be any confusion. Is it okay? Then 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2 is 2, 1, 2 is 2. So 11 into 12.5 into 12.5. Finding squares. So this is multiplication of 5. I told you in Vedic maths it is very, very easy. Ending the numbers with 5. So always you will get the answer in 25 only. So 25. Then 12. What is the successor of 12? 13. So 12 into 13 is nothing but 156. Here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So after 2 digits. So 156.25. This also with Vedic you can do it. What is it? Take the unit place. 2 3s are 6. First you multiply these two. Then you add it. 2 plus 3, 5. Then you multiply these two. 1 1 is 1. 156.25. Those who don't know Vedic maths, no problem. Just you do as usual also. Do you follow? So divided by 7. So again what? 11 into 156.25. This is very, very easy, isn't it? That is 156.25. After that we can keep the decimal. Understand? So 5, 7, 5, 7. Then what? Here 8, here 11, then 7, 1. After how many digits you have to keep the point? Because you are multiplying. Since it is multiplied by 11, just I am doing this. This is also easy way to do, isn't it? So after 2 digit you have to keep the point. Then divided by 7. So 1718.7 by 75 divided by 7. So you do the division. Those who don't know the 7 table also, very well you can do it like this. I told you the easy way also, isn't it? For the late bloomers purpose, I am writing this. Those who are able to write the table mentally, those who are able to do it, you do it please. Don't follow this method. Since this is after 5, just I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what you have to do is, listen, successes, that is next number, 0, 1, 2. What you are writing it, you have to start here. 2, 3, 4. What you are finishing up, you have to start. So 4, 5, 6. Here what? 7, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it okay? Just you do the division here. So 1700 and just let me start here. 1718.75 divided by 7. How many 7s are there? 2 7s are 14. So remainder 3. You bring down this 1 here. 31. That means what? 4. 4 7s are 28. Remaining 3. Bring down this 8 here. Then 5 7s are 35. So remainder 3. Then keep the point. You bring down this 7. Again what? 35. So 5 7s are 35. Remainder 2. Then what? 5. What is it? 3 7s are 21. Then what? Remainder 4. If you want to continue, you can continue. Otherwise, you can stop up to this. Understand? So what is the answer here? 245.53 centimeter square or square centimeter. This is area of the 245.53 area of a semicircle. Here is one answer and here is another answer. What you have to do it? You have to add both. So here what you have to do is, you have to add it. That is 500 plus, what is it? Here 245 plus 53. This is nothing but 745.53 centimeter square. Those are unable to add it directly horizontally, you can do it like this also. 0.53. That means what? 0.00. So 745.53 centimeters square. Is it okay, my dear? Do you follow, all of you? So just you do the, you see the shape, what it is given here, then you do it. Every one of you, do you follow this? Thank you. Actually, you should be very thorough with the multiplication tables. I told you, no, always Miss will consider the late bloomers. Those who are unable to remember the table also, they should not avoid the problem in order, since they don't know the table. Just you practice like this, try to memorize slowly.